Hello, today we're here with another Smart Line tutorial video, introducing the setting and software features of Miola touchscreen panels in the EAE brand. So, stay with us. As you know, these touchscreen panels come in two sizes, 7 and 10 inches, and their most prominent feature is the mobile application provided for projects, which can significantly reduce automation costs. But for a better understanding of its capabilities and features, today we'll take a closer technical look at it. To do this, turn on the touchscreen panel and connect it to the router or access point using a network cable that your computer or laptop is also connected to. Now, click on the setting icon and enter the IP of the touchscreen panel in your computer's browser. You'll be faced with a login page. For the first time, use the username EAE admin and the password EAE1234 for entry. Later, you can change it. Now, you're in the exciting settings section of this product. Here, you'll see general information about the product, such as name, Android version, model, device serial number, network card MAC address, and location. Also, at the top of the page, you'll see information like the number of active drivers, accessories, rooms, seasons, and IP cameras. To get started, go to the Devices menu and select one of the drivers from the Drivers section. Since the KNX system is directly connected to the touchscreen panel in this case, we choose the KNX Twisted Pair option. Then, go to the Rooms section to define project spaces. Click on Add Rooms, choose a suitable icon from the menu, assign a name to the space, and finally, confirm. In the same way, define and name all the spaces in your project. You can also rearrange the positions of the rooms. Go to the Accessories menu and it features in 3 steps. The first step is to select the device and driver, name it, and specify its location. In the second step, confirm the type of accessory. For example, it can be a switch, dimmer, RGBW dimmer, thermostat, shutter, punch button, binary button, audio, motion sensor, door sensor, window sensor, leak sensor. We chose a switch and selected an icon for it after choosing the display category. In the third step, it's time to configure the necessary settings for the KNX section and add the group addresses that we defined in the ETS software. Repeat the same process for other accessories. You can configure settings related to the Intercom section from the Intercom menu. Enter the SIP server information and confirm the username and password. In the Contact menu, you can add contacts you can call. Acavox and 2N brands have already been added to this touchscreen panel by default, and you can easily use them. If you use another brand for intercom equipment, you can define it in the Custom section. From the Scene and Automation menu, you can focus on setting scenarios and automations. Click on Add New Scene, choose a name and icon, select a room. Choose accessories related to this scenario, define its status in the third step, and finally, after applying the desired changes, save scene. If you need to define scenarios based on time, you need to create a time trigger from the Trigger menu. In it, you can choose the time of occurrence and then specify what should happen at your desired time. You can define the time on an hourly, weekly, monthly, or specific basis. Then, focus on defining the event in the Then section. Save the changes. Everything is done easily. Next, for the security section, go to the IP cameras menu and add them if you have security cameras in the project. Do the settings related to the security system in the panel security section. You can configure UI settings from the widget menu in the UI setting menu. Also, choose which menus to display on the touchscreen in the menu items section. Miola allows you to export its settings or import predefined settings. You can perform general settings from the general menu. In the network section, configure settings for the 2 network cards installed on Miola. If you want to display news on Miola, you can configure it from the RSS menu. In the security menu, you can change the security system password. Finally, if necessary, you can change the admin password from this section or exit the settings area. Thanks for following us in social media, Facebook and Instagram.